Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Petergaye and you're watching Petergayespassion. However, I think I'm going to be trying doing something differently on my channel. I know my channel is about like DIY and renovations and things, but the thing is, from the looks of it, you can tell that I am not in America. Well, probably not from the looks of it, but I'm actually in Jamaica. So I don't really have a lot of DIY projects to do here in Jamaica. So I think that I'm going to do, like mainly vlogs, like showing you guys the place and like what we do here. So right now, my husband and I were in the bush, as you can tell, and we are cutting some posts to make a fence. So where is he? He's right there with that little orange thing with the orange saw. But so far we've cut a few posts. I'll show you them in a second, but yeah, let me know how you guys like this type of video. Like I said, I don't have any DIY projects right now as I am in Jamaica. So yeah, let me know how you like this video in the comment below. Alright guys, so just got one right there. I'm just dragging it over to where we have her pile, and then we're gonna take it out of the bush later on. So yeah.
For me?
Toss again. Alright guys, so this is where we're at so far. Not that many, but we'll get there one tree at a time, right? Okay guys, so a little side note. So what would you guys like to see me do here on my channel, since it's not going to be all about like DIY, building, renovations, and things like that? So comment down below what you think. I can go to the beach. I can show you guys gated communities, like houses for sale here in Jamaica. I can show you, I don't know, fishing stuff. I really don't know off the top of my head, so that's why I'm asking you guys just to let me know in the comments below what you think or what you would like to see here. Yeah, we're actually even going to be starting a building project, but we're not going to be starting that yet, so that will be a building kind of content for you guys, but as of right now we're not going to start it yet, so it's not going to be soon. Besides that, I'm not even sure what else I can do here. You know, we're always here like in the bush doing something. If we're not in the bush, we're just relaxing somewhere. So just let me know what you guys want to see. Alright guys, so we're done bringing all the wood out, and look at that. It looks like nothing compared to what it was in the bush, but we're gonna work with what we have for now. So we have these two pieces and we're gonna put them inside of this bus here. So watch us do that right now.